What's up everybody, it's Texas Tint Masters, and today we are out on this project right here doing a solar and security tint for safety and heat rejection. So one of the objectives that the client wanted to achieve with this project on these windows right here is they wanted to get solar rejection, meaning less energy coming in is going to reduce the amount of cooling costs in the building. They also wanted shatter resistance from weather or theft. So what the shatter resistant film in the product is going to do is whenever there's an impact, it's not going to shatter through. That film is going to hold it together so that there is no entry, and this is going to help to protect the building a lot better. The perfect solution for these objectives went with a solar security film, 8mm neutral 35. The 8mm refers to the amount of thickness. The 35 refers to the amount of light that is being let in. Now the 35% is a popular choice for a building where you don't want to darken the windows. It still allows a lot of natural light to come through, but it's not rejecting a ton of heat and is rejecting a ton of UV from fading anything that's inside of the project. So this is a perfect solution for the person that is seeking solar rejection properties plus the safety of a shatter resistant film combined into one product to bring you the most value at the most efficient and cost-effective price. Squeegee that.
No, I have great experience with window film at my house. We had a burglar try to break into my home, and at the time, I only had one baby, and it was really frightening. It was a little bit scary because I was watching a guy in real time through my security cameras go from door to door and window to window, trying to figure out how to get into my house. But on the inside, I had confidence knowing that the house was secure. He couldn't get through the windows, he couldn't get through the doors, and you know, ultimately everybody was safe and the bad guy went to jail. So inside of this building are the most important young people in countless families' homes. I want this to be the safest school on the planet. I want everyone that comes here to focus on one thing, and that is being in an environment to learn and being in an environment that is conducive to learning. No worries, no stress, just fun. The process of getting this install going was painless. We used the TintWiz app, and they scheduled everything for us. They found the right crew. They are brilliant. The windows over there, the ones that they've already completed, there's no bubbles, there's no weird install moments. It's just perfect, flawless installation with the best material around, and that's the point. Make sure that we're doing everything right. So, Appleton Cedar Park, windows are safe. Yeah!
All right, so now that we've completed this section of the building, you can see right here that the clarity, being able to see out, is undisturbed. You can clearly see what's going on out here, but the perfect thing about it is from the outside looking in, now there's more privacy. The other thing is it's not so bright anymore, so it's not that eye squinting glare. This is reducing glare by 65%, and the heat rejection of the film is preventing the heat from entering the glass, which is able to help the building cool down faster and reduce energy bills and cooling costs. All right, let me show you like a really cool thing, right? So I've got this meter. Now this measures the amount of heat that's coming out from that sun. This is the type of film we're installing on the windows for this property. So now again, this is measuring the amount of heat. So the higher the number, the more heat's getting through. Now this is the sun right there. We're positioning right there, hitting it right at that sun. 254 British thermal units, AKA heat. Now this is the film right over that. Boom. Again, the sun, that's the sun right there. And that's the film. So this is what you can use and the kind of heat rejection you can expect to get when you get it. So you guys are sitting back there watching at home. You guys want to feel the kind of difference? Here, check this out. I'm about to tint your view right now. Put your hand up to your phone or screen right now. Feel that difference? No heat, right? Yeah. Get it. All right, so that completes this video on this project. So if you want to get something like this done, make sure you visit our website at texastintmasters.com to schedule your free consultation. To keep watching some more of the top tint videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, subscribe, like, and follow our channel. This has been Carlos, the Texas Squeegee with Texas Tint Masters, signing out, and we'll see you on the next one. Squeegee that.